Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check screen time on Android. For this, go for your settings app, then scroll down, search for this option digital well-being and parental control. So if you go for it, and you can see today I have spending on screen time 4 hours and 56 minutes. So yeah, which is huge. Then if you go for here in this dashboard or anywhere, then you can see all of your particular apps where you spending time much, so you can see. So yeah, this is how you can check your screen time on Android. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.